This treatment will seriously give you wash and go hair. This is the Pure Brazilian Keratin Blowout. This is one of my favorite treatments to offer my clients behind the chair. My clients typically come in for this treatment so that they can have their hair smoothed. It is not a straightening treatment. I repeat, it is not a straightening treatment. It is just a smoothing treatment. You're not gonna lose volume. All it's gonna do is close down the cuticle of the hair and maintain shine. It's gonna help the health of the hair, and then the biggest thing is eliminate frizz. It's a 3-step process. 90 minutes is all it takes. You have your step 1, which is the shampoo. Step 2 is the actual treatment, and this goes in wet hair. And then you are going to blow dry it in. And then after it is blown out, you flat iron it in. And then you actually take them back to the chair for step 3, rinse it out, and then mask for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is for your client who has a rougher texture hair, maybe has a little bit of frizz, but doesn't want to straighten their hair. I personally believe that it actually helps grow the hair because it's sealing down the cuticle. You're actually able to grow your hair longer. And what's wonderful about it is you are good to go. You can wash your hair that night even if you want to. The Pure Brazilian Keratin treatment will last manufacturer 3 months. After the 3 months, you will start to notice that it's gonna just kind of fade out of the hair. So if you're wondering about this product, I strongly recommend talking with your hairdresser and asking them what your options are. But if you just wanna eliminate frizz and seal down the cuticle and promote shine, this is gonna be the way to go.